Good evening, everyone. We are presenting good news from the world today.
We are happy to announce that people in the world are aware and informed. Media are so objective. We have no stereotypes or prejudice. We defeated racism.
Today we are celebrating the International Earth Day. Let's honor how great people are taking care of our planet. We have almost zero waste habits in our daily life and we produce almost no trash.
This is a very good day. Europe is opening its borders. We welcome refugees and support them. They all have equal opportunities on the job market. We are defending their rights.
We are very proud to announce that our carbon footprint and the level of pollution has been reduced recently. Now, almost everyone uses bikes and public transport.
Obviously, this news was fake, but you can make it real. It's your choice.
Pensa e agisci. Denke bevor du handelst.
فكر ko, amal ko.
Réfléchis et agis.